Welcome to this Saturday night All-New Zealand clash in Super Rugby Pacific. The Blues, winners of Super Rugby Trans-Tasman in 2021. The Hurricanes, unfancied but dangerous. You can see the work that's gone in on the training field, but oh, it's an intercept try. And against the run of play, Salesi Rayasi is going to put the Hurricanes in front. Well, it needed something out of the ordinary, and he's come up with it.
Oh, he certainly has. I think in the pre-game I said the freakish skills of Rayasi are on display, and he needed to produce something. His team have been totally out of this game.
Third season for the Blues finds Satutu.
Yep.
Well, they've been on this high-tempo attack game. Chance here to slow it down and use their forward power to force the issue. Eklund charging through the middle of them, and he's over. Rieko Ioane clears it away. Well, again, defence mode for the Hurricanes. Zahn Sullivan stepping, taken just 4 metres short of the line.
Numbers left.
Christie, they've got to get it. Oh, Caleb Clark's there, and he breaks through a very thin line for the Blues' second try.
Nice step. They do very well to scramble and pull him down, but off the ensuing breakdown, there's just way too numbers to the left. Hit him short. The Blues are magnificent on counter.
Oh, it's a support play, isn't it? They're just so in sync. Every time there's an offload, there's always someone there in support.
It's a very impressive performance so far from the Blues. Over it goes, Caleb Clark's first for the year. The big prop plants it down behind him. Sullivan jabbing one through. Oh, brilliantly done. Wes Huisson scores.
Nice little pop through the line from Sullivan. Wes Huisson with all his pace. What a response from the Hurricanes.
Yeah, he took his time, deep in concentration. Every point's going to be important today. And it's 17 to 14. Oh, beautifully taken by Goodhue. Hodgman there to take it off him. And then Eklund says, I got this. Edging it towards the line. Has a little look, then puts his head back down again. Crabbing sideways and edging forward. Now Christie goes in to help. They're over the line and Eklund is in. It's a good kick again. And at half-time, the Blues lead the Hurricanes in Super Rugby Pacific by 24 to 14.
He's through the middle. Backwards.
Oh, it's been beautifully knocked through by Goodhue. Came through the middle of the ruck. And now here's a great opportunity as Rieko Ioane steps and straightens. Oh, good work. Well, I thought it was good work over the ball. And up go the flags, and so the Blues have their biggest lead of the game. It's 27 to 14. Knock in there, they bring it back the other way, looking to really stretch this Hurricanes defence into a big hole. Here is Marcel Renata. Oh, he's going to go all the ways. No, just cut down from behind. Pops it up though to Tonga Fasi, Perofeta, Telia. Oh, more desperate defence from the Hurricanes. Try here, surely would put it beyond doubt for the Blues. Dowie is close, but he's not over.
You there, James?
Yep.
You can award the try.
Yep, thanks. Try's good. Release!
He can't make it to the line. Ardi Savia flings it away. Love and Salesi Rayasi is going to get his second try of the game.
In the last 10 minutes, they were absolutely sensational against the Crusaders. Well, they've started this 10-minute period on the right foot as well. A try to Rayasi, and they are back in this contest.
And it does go over. It's a nicely struck kick. Nice passing from the replacement, loose forwards, and Salesi Rayasi, just bundled out in the corner.
I think he's got it down,
TJ. Got it down. This could be a sensational hat-trick.
They know it too, the Hurricanes. They're heading back to halfway. That is some sort of quality finish.
On-field decision try, just check touchline, please.
Look at the way he's got that arm out. Down.
Oh, yes.
James, try is good.
Okay. Try's good. Yep.
Quickly through the hands. Ben May with a lovely ball. Sullivan breaks the tackle. He gets there. Artie Savia down the touchline. Oh, this is unbelievable. They're going to win it. They're going to win it.
Incredible stuff! Oh, what scenes here, what scenes!
The Blues are absolutely stunned. What a fantastic try. And who better to score it than the captain?
Oh, absolute quality from the Hurricanes.
Ruben Love to win the game. It's over. Stunning victory for the Hurricanes. Well, no matter how far the Blues got in front, the Hurricanes simply would not give up.